So hi everybody, it's me, Lena, and right now I'm in Vietnam. Anyways, right now I'm gonna give you an honest review of Sweet Tooth by Sabrina Carpenter. So personally, I really love Sabrina Carpenter. I'm a huge fan of her. Initially, I was a fan of Olivia Rodrigo. Might I say, both girls are amazing, both are queens, but now I lean more into Sabrina Carpenter because she's more my style. So when my dad went to Germany, I asked him to buy me a Sweet Tooth perfume, and now I'm going to do a little review of Sabrina Carpenter's Sweet Tooth chocolate pink perfume. So this is it. I'll get the packaging in a second. So this is it. This is the packaging. It's kind of inverted right now because I'm too fussy to use the back cam. I'd rather see myself and use the front cam. I think I'm just gonna show a picture over here of the packaging. It literally looks like a chocolate bar. Like literally looks like a pink chocolate bar, and I love all things pink. And this is like perfection from the cover. If you love pink, if you love baby pink, if you love strawberry, then this is definitely aesthetic, and this is so cute. I recommend it. It looks like a chocolate. It feels like I could just bite right into it. So when I open it, the cover is almost half the battle, but that aside, we have a really golden spray thing, and I love all things golden, so this is amazing and it looks bougie. And now I'm gonna spray it and I will describe the scent to you. The scent. So the scent is really sweet, just like Sabrina Carpenter's short and sweet concert. It smells really sweet. It smells kind of like vanilla-y. If you're a vanilla girl, then this one is made for you. It doesn't smell too much of vanilla. Sorry, I'm not an expert at this. What do you call this? Disclaimer, I'm not an expert smeller, scenter, whatever you call that. I'm gonna get another spray to really get into the scent. Yes, it smells a little bit vanilla-y, but not too much. If you're a vanilla girl, then this is kind of made for you. But if you're too big of a vanilla girl, it's like it has the perfect pinch of amount of vanilla. It smells really refreshing. It smells like a marshmallow. It smells like food, like a sweet food basically. And if you're a teenage girl, if you're just a girl who wants to smell really light and refreshing, like you don't really want to have a heavy smelling perfume, this one is made for you. And if you want to smell sweet in the process, this is also made for you. This is definitely made for those coquette girls and elegant girls. Smells like marshmallows, vanilla, a bit of floral scent, sugar, sweet, but it's not heavy at all. If you put it in here, it smells heavy at first, but as you inhale it as time goes on, it's not heavy at all. It's light, but you can still smell it. Like, you know what I mean? Like, it's the perfect amount of lightness and heaviness. Honestly, this is my taste. If you like perfume that are really elegant, really strong smelling, that really makes your head dizzy, then this is not for you. But if you like light perfumes that are sweet and very demure, then this is definitely for you. And just try it out, see if you might love this. Okay, bye everyone. I hope you liked my review.